Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to fix the problem of no sound for incoming calls on Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on my phone settings right here. So I'm going to click on here. Then having opened up our phone setting, we need to make sure we go to sound and vibration right here. So this is where we are going to set up everything. First things first, make sure that your sound is not on do not disturb. So you can see it is already off right there. But if from your hand this place is on, it simply means that you need to make sure you turn off, you click on the toggle right here to make sure it's turned off. Now, having turned it off, next thing you need to do is to simply go back under your media tone right here. Make sure you increase it as much as possible, just like so. So I put it in 100%. Lastly, make sure your ringing volume here is increased. Okay. So it depends on the kind of ringing tone you have on your phone. So that will determine how the volume is going to loud. As you can see right here, I use someone voice as my ringing tone. So you can also come here and change your ringing tone to something that is more louder. So I'm going to simply choose electronic dance. Okay, then I'll go back. Then I have to come back to ringing volume right here. I can increase it more, just like so. You can put it in 100%. Then everything increase more louder. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply fix the problem of no sound in incoming call on Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.